Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove people from a photo in Photoshop. Okay, so let's dive into it. So the first thing we should do is to duplicate the layer by clicking Ctrl J. Okay, the reason why we created a copy of this layer is for us to have a copy to fall back on in case something goes wrong in the process. Alright, so click on the original layer, then select the object that you want to remove by using any of this selection tool. I prefer to use this. So let's select this lady right here. Okay, now that we have selected the object, go to Edit, click on Content Away Fill. Okay, so from here you can be able to see the end result of what you are doing. That is how it will look like once you click OK. Okay, so once you are okay with what you are seeing, go ahead and click OK. Alright, as you can see, the lady has disappeared. So remove this selection by clicking Ctrl D. Alright, so as you can see right here, the lady is no longer there. Okay, we have removed her. Alright, so this is the quickest way to remove people from a photo in Photoshop. Thank you, and see you in the next one.